Welcome to this BluHorn video on unrated broadcast television worksheets. For the sake of this demonstration, we've already created a worksheet for broadcast TV that we'll be using to demonstrate some of the features and how to use your broadcast TV worksheet. With BluHorn, unrated does not mean you can't include ratings. It simply just means you are not integrating directly with Nielsen or ComScore services. Once you've created a broadcast television worksheet, you'll be taken to the worksheet to enter lines. You can manually enter lines in our traditional or grid layout. This worksheet is currently in traditional. To add lines manually, you'll use the blank line that is at the bottom, indicating your day part code, vendor, station, time period, etc. When you have the line filled, you'll click the blue Add Line button to add the line and dollars and information into your working worksheet. To switch to our grid layout, you can access the Edit Worksheet button at the top, scroll down to Grid Layout, toggle to Yes, and hit Save Changes. This will change your worksheet, regardless of type, into our grid layout, which acts and looks a lot like a Google Sheet. I'm going to shrink the left-hand menu by using the caret to buy myself a little more real estate on screen. Our grid layout allows you to quickly drag and drop changes from one line to another, or even drag spots across weeks or down rows. You'll notice that at the top, the pre-buy worksheet will include your totals by week, and as you scroll over, by month. The more information you include on the worksheet, the more that will populate below. The sidebar summary will always include your running total, and as you scroll down, it will default to D, which is for day part, and give you a breakout by each individual day part that you have indicated on your buy. In this particular example, we only have a daytime day part, so 100% of our GRPs are there. You can switch to the S, which stands for station, which will default to whatever is in your station columns. Or F is for full, which means you'll see day parts first, followed by stations. Information is updated in real time. As I add a rate, you'll see the spot totals changing. And if I would add thousands for viewership, you would see that I would start to get a cost per thousand total calculated. If you would like to import an avail, or if you would like to import a proposal, you can use the green Create Order drop-down menu and go to Import File. Here you'll choose a file from your computer. We recommend a .xml file. However, we can use SCX and SBX for television. Once you've selected the file, you just hit Add and follow the prompts to auto-populate some of the important information. As you're going, you indicate your spots by week, and you can add comments in the last row. To copy a line, you simply check the box and scroll to the top of your worksheet to save worksheet, or to the bottom. Same for delete. That's the only time in BluHorn you'll need to use the Save Worksheet button. When you're ready to create your orders, you can click the green Create Order button, or you can drop down and send. You can also preview in advance as well. And there are further BluHorn videos on our additional features within the worksheet available at bluhorn.com/videos.